Hi, this is Tina Hughes from buildawebsitetonight.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a banner with smaller images. Okay, let's go and have a look at the example so that you know what I'm talking about. In this example, I've created a slideshow using banners that I've created myself. This one's got a red background, it's got two images on it. If we just use the arrow keys to move through. Go to the next one, orange background with three different images on it. So what I've done is simply create the coloured background, drag on some images, and then save it as one image to use for the banner. Now I've used it in a slideshow. You can use this for the top of your website. You can use this anywhere. And it's just a great way of being able to utilise different smaller photos that you might not normally get to use. Okay, let's go over to my photo editing software and I'll show you what I do. Here are the components that I used earlier. I'm going to get rid of these and start fresh. So we've got a clean slate. I've reduced my screen size so that it fits into this video shape. I'm using software Imagewell, which is for Macintosh. I'm working on a Mac at the moment. And I start off by going up here to the right hand corner and selecting the icons here for shapes, and then I'm dragging out the rectangular shape. Now I'll do this quickly, but at the same time I will put in as much detail as I can. So the shape appears like this. What I'm going to do is change the size, say it's 600, and let's make it 150 deep. So I'll just scroll over using this side scroll bar. Now the colour, I usually wait till I've added the photos and then I can see which colour looks best. Okay, let's go grab some photos from a live web page. As I've got my Build a Website Tonight website open, I'm going to grab some images from here. What I'm going to do is just click on the image and then hold down the mouse key and drag it out to the side. So you can see that where the arrow is, it's turned into a plus symbol in a green circle. That's telling me that it's being added to the shapes. Okay, so that's one shape. Let's move over and see what else I can grab. Actually, let's just take the logo here at the top of the screen. I'm going to click that, drag it over here. There's a green plus symbol. I'm going to drop it on there. And now I'm going to go back. You can see here that the actual logo was reduced in size considerably, and that happens automatically. You just drag the corners to make it whichever size you'd like. So with the book here, it's a bit big, so I'm going to reduce it down to, let's say, 120, and put it up here so it's still a bit, just fits in actually. Then I'm going to grab this, and with the yellow dots I can resize however I like. Once I've clicked on something, I can come down here to the dimensions and change the width and the height if I like. Now because I've chosen two items that have a white background, I should make my background white as well. Now I've done that by clicking on the yellow dots and then clicking in this grey background box to bring up my colour selectors. Here they are here. I'm going to click white and then move the colours back out of the way. Normally I'd be working on a full-size screen here, but I'm just doing this for this particular exercise. Now you can see the thick black box. It's got a setting of 4 at the moment, so if I click down to 1, that gives it a very fine border. If you didn't want a border, that would be okay. And I'm going to make another video to go with this one, so I'll be back in a tick.